Ooh, that looked okay. This iPhone case, look at that. The screen is like removed from the back. Ooh, it's bad. The case, like Shane said, it's pretty usable still. Good job, little guy.
The case
iPhone, not so much. Oh man, this is amazing. For 13 years, I've been coming to CES. We always torture test stuff out here. I never get that call to do that. And now, now Vegas has a hockey team, so now I get the call. Now I get to torture test something. Finally, it's my turn to do something poorly, but maybe well. Let's go. I picked the right job. I did. So what we're doing is not very scientific. We're gonna shoot frozen rubber at gadgets, and they're probably gonna break. So it's not really an indication of how rugged something is, but more just us finding a fun way to break stuff. I'm here with Shane Hnidy. He's the color analyst for the Vegas Golden Knights. Professional career that spanned well more than a decade, Stanley Cup winner.
This is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna shoot some frozen rubber at a couple of gadgets.
I don't like the gadgets. I don't like their chances.
No.
But that said, it's you and I haven't shot in a long time. I've been on the ice for a while.
You're
not quite what I used to be able to do. I'm expecting you to have that pinpoint accuracy.
Wow, you're a former NHLer. I play in a beer league. What we have here is a basically 6 foot wide piece of plexiglass with some Velcro, and we're about to attach all these to the Velcro. It's sort of sadistic in a way. This is a Hero Black 8 by GoPro. That's the Sony action cam. Then we have a Osmo action cam. Here is an iPhone with a rugged case, which is just sort of like a death sentence.
A rugged case.
Yeah. Here we go. This is a LaCie drive. We'll see how you go, bud. Okay. This is the Cat thermal phone. It's got a thermal camera on it. Check it out. Whoa, look how frosty and warm Jeff is at the same time.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, hey, that was a good test. Didn't fall down. So that didn't work so well. All the gadgets fell off, and that Velcro's a little too weak for the strength of a Shane Hnidy wrist shot. So what we're gonna do is, Hockey MacGyver over here is gonna hang these from the crossbar, which is brilliant. We should have thought of that earlier. Round 2 or 3, whatever this is, now we have to shoot a little higher. That could be good or bad, let's see. Stairs. Ooh.
I hit the tape. Little. Oh, that one. There we go.
There we go.
That one I got.
And they're all
hit the
down.
tape.
All right, right now Shane and I are gonna play a little bit of crossbar. Just try and hit these gadgets off the crossbar. Because why not?
Why not?
Why not? We got them
We're
here.
here.
Let's do it. All right, this is what? GoPro? I'm sorry. All right, this is the Osmo. Oh. This is the Sony action cam.
Oh, that was close. That screen keeps popping out. There we go.
Ding dong.
Whoa! That did not hit the crossbar. That was pretty good. You got some loft. Oh!
Whew.
Can't
I'm telling you,
raise.
that thing is fine.
Okay, the iPhone, I feel bad for it.
Ooh.
Oh. Is it still alive?
It's alive, man.
That is impressive.
It was on when I shot it. Ooh, that looked okay.
This is the heaviest product to shoot.
Yeah, this thing is a brick. We've got the CNET thermal phone. It's real heavy, so it means it's gonna hit hard too. Let's see. Crossbar.
It's 1-0, you can tie it up.
Oh. Yeah, it's tough to shoot.
That's tough to shoot. Oh, good shot.
Ooh, did that hit the thing? You know what? We were really slapping this one around.
You just can't. That's
This is a beast. You have to hit you would have to hit the puck on here like full blast.
the only thing without a
a
screen.
Yeah, exactly. No glass to shatter. That's what's kind of amazing about this one. The iPhone case. The iPhone case is okay. iPhone not okay. The CNET phone, kind of amazing. It took a huge beating. We shot it a bunch, and finally split the back open a little bit. The Sony Action Cam, it shattered. It hit the freaking crossbar. Out of nothing is surviving this thing. That's the game winner right there.
Well, for me, yes.
For you,
not
yeah.
for the camera.
Not for the camera. It had better days. The Osmo shattered the back of that glass. Again, this is crazy what we tried to put these gadgets through. And then miraculously enough, the GoPro Hero Black 8 is like, I feel like we might be able to turn this on later.
And that took a shot too earlier from the puck.
Yeah, you got the gash from the direct shot. I mean, this has a really sort of shock absorbing rubberized, outside. So I bet this would have shattered easily if we hit that. Shane, thank you so much again. Appreciate it, my friend.
Thanks for having me. That was a blast.
It was a blast for these things. Again, this was crazy what we're doing. You should never try this at home. Don't go to the Vegas Golden Knights practice facility and try and shoot these off the crossbar, okay? Big thanks to the Vegas Golden Knights for having us out. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.